How to enable or disable Gboard auto capitalization on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, now we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, go down and tap on Gboard settings, or you can go into Keyboard and tap on Gboard. Next, go down and tap on Corrections and Suggestions. Then tap on Auto Capitalization. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto Capitalization. Here's a capitalize the first word of each sentence while using on-screen keyboard. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here, if we start typing, and if I go to start writing a new word, it will automatically auto-capitalize on the first letter. Right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.